got. Right, there you go. You use one of these or not, no?
No.
Right, so they spin dead fast. So
Do you just let it go?
put your thumb on it,
Yeah.
because that'll overspin and you end up with a big bird's nest. So put your thumb on there, flick that back, and control the speed just with your thumb.
Oh yeah.
Let it down. If you let it go with your thumb, it'll just go that fast. It'll go.
So how much
It'll
you
hit
leave
the
it?
bottom.
Oh yeah.
You'll feel it. Deep. Right, so there's the bottom. Flick that back. Now, because you're on feathers, just give them a bit of a wave like that. That'll track some.
Do you
So all of a sudden-
wheel it forward to roll it in?
Well, depends what's on. You know, so you could be there and then they might come on the screen and they'll be halfway up, and then I'll say come up a bit and then do it.
Oh yeah, yeah.
But you might get nothing like that, and all of a sudden you'll get 1, 2, 3 all at once. Probably one sand deal that. Oh, there's 2.
Is it?
Oh, look.
No.
Well, I want to join the party. Oh, one gone off, felt that, hold up.
Did it?
Still good enough to do it back up.
Hey! How far down are you? Oh yes, I definitely have.
Why have I not got one?
Shall I leave it in a bit?
Coming on screen.
Shall I leave it in a bit?
No, don't follow it up.
It's either got 2 or it's a big.
Oh.
It's either got 2 or it's a big one.
Better get the gaff out.
Well, I've got 2 or 3 here. 2.
So, right, leave them like that and then flick them over, if you know what I mean. So just lift your rod straight and lift it to you like that. Hey!
Very nice.
Don't
What is that?
sand deal.
Woo!
Looking so.
Is it recording? It feels a fair size.
Big mackerel.
It feels big. But I've caught the fucking fish at the ship.
Right, go on, mate. Oh, I caught one and all up.
It feels massive, but it'd be tiny.
Probably.
I can see it now.
Oh, 2 pollock.
Fucking nice. Fucking sweet.
You've owned me on this one though, now.
Oh,
Bring them in anyway.
So am I over the top here?
Don't know, they're both spun, right?
Oh, one each?
We don't know, I think they're both probably. No, they're on the horse then.
Fucking hell, they're massive.
Well,
They're huge. You can keep them.
bigger ones.
There's bigger ones.
Yeah.
You still got one, have you?
Oh, I imagine you pull in on. A bit of off, they pull in.
Oh, you got one on. Woo! Yeah, you got 2. You got 3. Nice.
Yeah, you got 2. Good 3. Nice.
Oh yeah, baby.
Oh, hi.
Woohoo! I got 2.
Oh, the same things.
Yeah. Oh, one's just dropped off.
I think that's handy a lot.
Yeah, that was on the bait.
Oh, is that your bait? Oh, it's the box.
Yeah, one's just dropped off. Are these mackerel now?
What's he doing in the back there?
Hey?
What's he doing?
Look at me, king of the castle.
I'll just get us in that corner there.